Díoghaibh is Misha Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic. And today, let's learn the Irish for light. The Irish word for light, meaning brightness, is Solas. Solas. Light. Solas. Light meaning weight is a different word. Éadrom. Éadrom. Today, let's just focus on brightness. Turn on the light. Sul-uss and Solas or Kwer and Solas. Sul-uss and Solas or Cuir and Solas. Turn on the light. Do you find Irish spelling difficult to read and pronounce? If you do, why not try Crack Irish Gaelic Pronunciation on Udemy?